Hey everybody, it's Dr. Matt here back at it at Premier Chiropractic Solutions in Duncan, South Carolina. We've got Elizabeth, our receptionist, office manager in here today, and she needs a tune-up, right?
Just a little one.
Okay. Alright, face down. We also have Pete, our dog, in here, our office dog.
The bestest boy.
Pete, get down. Go lay down. Pete, go lay down. Pete, lay down. Okay. Is there anything bothering you today?
Not really. My back just always kind of hurts.
The lower back? Your legs are pretty balanced. That's good. Right down here. And this right shoulder is a little tight too.
That's where I hold all my stress.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. And just relax. Good. Right here. Okay. Relax.
I can feel that like all the way through the back of my leg.
Really? Okay. Relax like that. This way. Good. Back on your side. This way. Make sure you're in frame. Oh yeah. Petey's doing good. He's over there laying down.
Is he really?
Relax like that. Other side. Just relax. Okay.
That was a good one.
There you go. Stay back.
That feels good.
Yeah, on this right side, these upper cervical muscles are pretty tight. There you go. Yeah. That's right. So there you go. Yep.
Caught my stomach already today. But it's fine.
Oh, yeah. Have you been going to the gym?
No, I still haven't
Not yet.
started yet. It's finding time.
Oh, yeah. All right, sit down. There you go. Face that way. There you go. Just relax. Yeah, relax. All right. You want to do a ring finger today?
Yeah.
Towel should be nice and warm for you.
It really is. They always smell eucalyptus.
Get that. Put your head up, back down.
This part makes me feel like I'm small.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Is that too tight? Alright. Just relax. Yeah, keep your teeth together. There you go. Did you feel that one?
Yeah. I felt that in my lower back.
Did you?
Yeah, on my, and on my left side.
There you go.
Real nice.
Got one more adjustment. There we go. Other way. Here we go. Yeah. Just lean back and pinch your elbow.
I got my
Very
lower
good.
back.
How'd that feel, Elizabeth?
That felt great, you
Very
guys.
good. God bless.
Yes, thank you.
And look, Petey's laying down.
Oh, the goodest boy.
He's a good boy. How's it going, Petey?
Living my best life.
Petey. Peace out.